Hey guys, it's Zeee here, and today we have an unboxing from Amazon.com. So in this package I have two more 4S batteries because recently I've actually been killing a lot of my batteries lately, really just from age, because a lot of my batteries are actually kind of old now. They're over a year old actually, and a couple of them are still going, but I really need to get more because if I want to run more electric cars at racing or at races, I'd rather have more batteries than just have two. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the brand of batteries I actually got are more cheap than usual. They're not going to be like the high-end like SMC batteries, Gen Ace. These are two Zeee, that's actually three E's, Zeee power. So these batteries here I've actually been using for a year, and they seem to still actually be going. And the good thing about these is that they're actually quite cheap, kind of like how cheap the Atom SV1 motor is. That nitro motor that I unboxed not too long ago. So I'm going to get these out of the box right here and get this out of the way so we can focus on the actual batteries themselves. So these two batteries here were actually only like $100, which is actually really cheap for two 4S batteries, considering the specs you get for these things. Let's actually just open one of them up real quick and I'll show you what you get inside. So, not the most professional looking box. I mean, it looks good enough for me, and it's really not about the packaging for me, really. It's more about what you really get in the box. So okay, these are they actually have a new design actually. An older one actually doesn't actually have these stickers on the side, but it's still nice to see that we have some extra bracing going on. So they are hard case batteries, which means you can run them in A-scale cars. My Lipo 8 actually would take a 4S hard case Lipo better than a soft case, because I actually damaged one of my batteries from in my Lipo 8, unfortunately, but stuff had to be done. So anyway, so I got the ones with the Dean's connectors on them. As you guys can see, I really like Dean's. So a lot of people seem to be having trouble with Dean's, but I don't know, just me, I like Dean's. And obviously our 4S balance connector, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Let's actually just take a look at the second one. So pretty much gonna be the same thing, just another one. So just to reiterate, guys, I mean, these are some pretty cheap batteries. So if you do want to pick up some cheaper batteries, if you're on budget a little bit, or if you just don't want to spend like $100 for just one battery, I'd recommend picking these up. I'll leave a link to them in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So before I actually leave, I'm actually going to show you guys a race where I actually use these batteries, because I've won quite a few races with these batteries. So let's go to that, shall we?
Sean now jumping back out front.
After 3 minutes, 1 second, the top drivers are shown Total in first place, followed by Christopher Burkett in second place, followed by Billy Russell in third place, followed by Keith Ryan in fourth place, followed by Trey Harris in fifth place.
Seconds, guys, 10 seconds. Alrighty, guys, that is the time. Keep going until I call you done. Keith, you got caught. Christopher, you will as well. Sean, you are done and victorious. Billy Russell, you're done in second.
So that's going to wrap up this video, guys. If you do want to buy these batteries, I will leave a link to them in the description down below. They ship extremely fast. They shipped in less than a day actually for me, and they actually got here the next day. So thanks for watching, guys, once again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.